In front of me is Vivo Y97 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps you wish to use in this view and then sliding down 3 of your fingers, like that. Following that, tap on the second app and as you can see now I can use both at once. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. To learn more about split screen, go into Settings, scroll down, click on Smart Split and tap on Manual Screen Split here. Then read all of those informations. You can also tap on Message Screen Splitting over here. Click on Gray Sweater to activate it and Gray Sweaters next to your apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!